Welcome to EY.AI Unplugged Season 2, AI Agents of Impact. I'm Pallavi, your host for today, and in this series, we speak with leaders who are shaping the future of intelligent, autonomous systems and redefining how AI drives business transformation. In today's episode, we're joined by Alexi Thomas, Partner of Technology Consulting and Data Leader at EY India. Alexi brings deep expertise in data, AI-led transformation, and enterprise-scale technology solutions. He also sheds light on how organizations can prepare for the next evolution of AI agentic systems powered by trusted and high-quality data. Hi, Alexi. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, Alexi, to begin with right away, why is high-quality trusted data so critical for enabling agentic AI, and what are the risks on relying on a poor quality data?
See, high quality data is the single biggest determinant of how effectively agentic AI performs. These systems learn autonomously, make decisions, and take actions. So the integrity of data directly shapes the intelligence of the agent. With inaccurate, biased, or incomplete data, autonomous systems can drift, produce erroneous recommendations, or reinforce existing biases. But when data is trusted, contextual, and continuously refreshed, AI agents can operate responsibly, make precise decisions, and evolve in line with the business goals. In many ways, data becomes the environment an agent lives in. If the environment is noisy or confusing or misleading, the agent will struggle. If it is structured and reliable, the agent thrives.
Thank you, Alexi. Now, building on the previous question, as AI becomes both a consumer and a curator of data, how does the data next support this dual role and prepare organizations for autonomous next generation AI systems?
Data Next is our internal accelerator that we have built on the principle that AI and data now evolve together. On one side, it ensures organizations have AI-ready data, which is clean, structured, governed, and rich with context. That's the foundation which to make accurate, responsible decisions. On the other hand, Data Next uses AI to improve itself. The data itself essentially is continually improving. And it is creating what I call as a data and AI flywheel. AI agents classify information, detect quality issues, enrich metadata, and create a continuously improving data environment. In other words, AI is not just consuming data, it's actively curating and elevating it. When these two come together, enterprises get a self-reinforcing cycle. Better data makes the AI smarter, and smarter AI keeps making the data better. That's the data and AI flywheel. That's what ultimately prepares organizations for true autonomy. Systems that are reliable, scalable, and constantly learning from the data they operate in. In essence, it helps organizations to map out every data point that is generated or consumed. That's the vision and mission of Data Next.
Thank you, Alexi. Now, what are the characteristics of good quality data for training and scaling agentic AI?
See, at its core, high quality data has four defining attributes. First one is accuracy. It reflects the real world as precisely as possible. Second is completeness. Key attributes are available and consistent across sources. Third is context richness. Data carries meaning, relationships, and business relevance. Fourth is timeliness. It's updated frequently, enough for agents to act confidently. And fifth is fairness and bias-free design. Data is representative, diverse, and checked for skew, so autonomous systems do not learn or reinforce from unintended biases. But for agentic AI, there's an additional dimension, and this is key. It is interoperability. Agents interact with multiple systems, hence data must be structured in a way that ensures smooth, autonomous operations across environments. When these characteristics come together, the result is data that's not only AI ready, but is actually AI enhancing.
Thank you, Alexi. Now that we've discussed the characteristics of good data, how does an effective data preparation translate into a measurable business impact for agentic AI?
That's a very, very important question. So every step of the data preparation process is unlocking meaningful value for the organization. So let me bring this to life. Number one, faster automation. So agents can execute tasks without manual intervention. Number two, higher accuracy. Decisions become more precise, reducing rework and errors. Number three, reduced operational cost. So clean, reliable data minimizes exception handling. Four, improved customer experiences. So agents deliver faster, more hyper-personalized responses. Fifth is better governance. With complete lineage and traceability, trust increases across the enterprise.
Thank you. And what are the practical steps or best practices that you could share with our listeners that organizations must follow to ensure that they're ready to power intelligent autonomous systems?
There are four essential practices. Build a unified data foundation, break down silos, and establish a single source of truth. Invest in ongoing data quality and observability. Treat data health as a continuous program, not a one-time activity. Adopt a metadata first design. So AI agents understand lineage, rules, and context. Enable AI-driven curation. Use machine learning and generative AI to enrich, classify, monitor data at scale. These steps create an environment that agentic AI needs to function responsibly, efficiently, and autonomously, or as I call it, create a queryable enterprise.
Thank you, Alexi. Now that brings us to the end of this episode of EY.AI Unplugged Season 2. Thank you so much once again for joining us and sharing all the valuable insights on how trusted, high quality data forms a backbone for agentic AI and what organizations must do today to build for an autonomous tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, Pallavi.
Thank you. And to all our listeners, if you've enjoyed this episode, do follow the series for more conversations with experts who are shaping the future of AI driven impact. Thank you for listening. Until next time, this is Pallavi signing off.